The new ozone equipment launched by JM-APW, carbon steel spray-coated appearance, resistant to ozone corrosion. The upper cover adopts the slope roof design, which is not easy to accumulate dust, rainproof, moisture-proof, wear-resistant, and fall-proof. The core component adopts a high-concentration plate type, ozone generator with low energy consumption and high concentration, faster efficiency, stable operation, higher concentration and lower attenuation, compact structure and small space occupation, high-strength mobile wheels and wall-mounted accessories, flexible and convenient installation. It can be placed or moved freely according to actual conditions. The system runs stably with higher efficiency and higher reliability. There are 50G, 100G, 150G, 200G, 300G models to choose from, supporting OEM and ODM, meeting multi-scenario applications. Using advanced cooling and assembly technology, the energy consumption is 50% lower than the industry standard, which is environmentally friendly and economical. The core module has a 2-year warranty, stable performance and no concentration attenuation, with the support of more than 20 years of research. JM-APW always uses advanced technology to manufacture cutting-edge products. With ozone, more than 60 large-scale projects, 10 to 120 kilograms, have been completed, demonstrating rich practical experience. At the same time, we have a professional technical support team to provide customers with world-class after-sales service, allowing customers to operate without worries. Any problems you encounter during the use of the product can be consulted online by after-sales staff for free, and we are dedicated to serving you. We provide OEM and ODM and efficient and environmentally friendly ozone solutions. Welcome to learn about JM-APW.